Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on Genshin Impact. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Genshin Impact game on your device and you will see the login screen. Tap on the register now button and this will take you into the sign up page. Now within this page, type in the email address that you wish to use for your game. And after typing in your email address, tap on the I have read and agree to the terms and conditions checkbox and click on next. Tapping on next, you will be asked to verify your identity. You will now be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to your email address that you just used. So just check your inbox and you will find this verification code within your email. After entering this code, you will be allowed to create your password. Enter your account password and then type it in once again for confirmation and then tap on the register button. You will now directly end up within the login page where your email address will automatically be filled in. So you will simply need to enter your account password and click on the login button and you will be logged in to your newly created account on Genshin Impact. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on Genshin Impact. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.